And we'll get to that breaking news in just a minute. These days, a business really can't survive without a major internet presence. It's more than just having an email address or a website. It's about knowing how to reach the millions of people surfing the web, not just for business, but for pleasure as well. Joining me now is Dr. James Glossinger. Welcome, Doctor.
Hi, Bob. How
now,
you doing today?
Number one, your name is Dr. Glossinger. Your name is James, but you like to be known called JB?
JB.
All right.
JB.
Where does the JB come from?
JB comes from my middle initial, James Bryan, actually.
Okay, now I'm told that you have an MBA and a PhD in metaphysics.
Correct.
Kind of a strange combination for someone who does what you do with social networking.
Yes, very unusual combination. But I stumbled upon social networking because of that combination.
How?
Well, I needed to get out there. I'm a personal development coach and speaker, and I needed some way to reach the masses and not be an Anthony Robbins. How can you do that?
How do you compete with people like that?
Exactly. So we went out and we started a thing called morningcoach.com, which allowed me to reach thousands of people quickly, started a podcast, started using MySpace and the social networking processes available to us, and just blew it up.
Now, when most people think of MySpace, they think of teens and having fun and socializing.
Yes. Yes.
How did you break the barrier and go beyond that?
Well, the critical thing is that you have to build relationships with people. Any business that we're in, we also own a maid service in Broward County, which is funny.
You have a maid service?
We have a maid service.
We'll get to that in a second, but go ahead with
Well, you can apply this to any business, and that's what's critical. You have to really get to build relationships with people. That is the critical part of any business. And so the social networking aspect, that's where it comes in. You just don't build a MySpace page. There's a lot of strategy that's involved in it. You have to build some squeeze pages and collect some information, but then you have to communicate back and forth with the people.
Now, you also use something that I find fascinating called viral marketing. Explain what that is and how you're using that.
Yeah, viral marketing is basically, I have an MBA in business. I was looking for a way to really try strategies without spending a lot of money. So with viral marketing, you basically can try a strategy, you can put something out there, a whole marketing platform, send it out to the world and see if it works or not, for basically free.
Yeah, but don't you actually rely on people who look at it and enjoy it, sending it then to other people who send it to others and on and on and on?
Exactly. That's the whole key. You've got to get a strategy together. You've got to develop a strategy that works. And that's where you test it. You test a few of them and you see, okay, this is working for my business. And then it becomes viral. Everybody starts talking about it. Like our free coaching. Oh, this is great. Send it to your friend. You should check this out.
Okay, in order to be successful, though, this can't be just a commercial. It's got to be creative. It's got to be entertaining?
Correct. It's got to be fun. It's got to be cool. You don't have to be 16 years old and have an MIT degree from in computer marketing. You don't have to do that, but you've got to try a few things. That's what's great. You try it. If it doesn't work, it's free. Try it again. Put it out on MySpace. Put it on Facebook. Start building the relationships and drive them back.
Now, is this best for an existing business or a new startup situation?
It can be for anything. That's what's cool about it. Anybody can try this because it's free. It's very inexpensive. You can try your things. That's how I started. I started a website called viralkungfu.com because I study kung fu. So I said viral kung fu. That's
Throw it all in together.
Yeah, exactly. Make it simple. And I did it really for speakers. And I started doing seminars because these speakers go out and they can't build their business. So I helped them really start to find people that they could try their material on. And if they could get 300 or 1,000 people to try their material on, they would know if they're successful or not.
Is this better in some cases than traditional radio, television, newspaper?
Well, I'm on the TV, so I can't tell you it's better than traditional. It's got its place. It is the future. What I'm teaching people now, they're going to be teaching in the business schools in the future because there's 200 million people on MySpace. There's 80 other social networking sites.
JB, I need to wrap this up because we do have some breaking news. Thanks very much, Kelly. We're going to go over to you at the news desk.